shop that has just opened here in Mansfield on Broad Street. We are at Getcha Sum, and we got us some, didn't we? We had cheer camp this week. It's hot outside. It's got to be 100 degrees. I don't know. It is the perfect time for ice cream. It was the perfect time for them to open, and the flavors. Okay, y'all. This is very velvet. What's it called? Very velvet cheesecake, and it is very fantastic. Is what it is. Are you eating your dad's ice cream? So we're taking some Butterfinger peanut butter, I think. Butterfinger and peanut butter cup home to Dad. What did you get?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. So good. They've got a cotton candy flavor, lemon cake and raspberries. They've got a couple of sorbet flavors. Y'all, this is a cute, cute little house in downtown Mansfield. The ice cream is amazing. Atmosphere is great. There's a patio out back with umbrellas. Y'all have to come check it out. So anyway, let me know if you do. Comment here what's your favorite flavor, and we will see you around town.